a new video in our channel. Today I'm going to talk about the timing problem within the dual boot machines. If you have a dual boot Linux and Windows, most likely the Windows time will be well adjusted, even if you corrected it from the control panel by the date and timing adjustments. Once you start the Ubuntu, it will be delayed again. And the problem happens because both Windows and Linux, maybe the Ubuntu, if you will consider it as an example of the Linux distributions, use different formats to save the time. So once you close or shut down the operating system will save the time somehow in certain format, and the clock, internal clock within your machine, will keep the timing till you start it again. And because the mismatch in between the formats, in between the Windows and the Linux, if you use the Linux, it will save the time during the shutdown in certain format, and once it's read again by the Windows, it will be read in a different format or exhibited in different formats, and that's why it's always in a wrong values. And to come over such point or such problem, we will need to do a small trick. Maybe we will go to the Regedit. So we have to edit the Windows registry, and it will open like that. And once you are there, you have to go to this path. So just I will put it in the description: computer, key, local machine, system, current control set, control, and then time zone information. And there you need to create a new DWORD value, 32 bits, like that, and give it the name of RealTimeIsUniversal. So once you create the new variable, call it RealTimeIsUniversal, and then give it the value. So double click on it and give it the value to 1. If you restarted the Windows now, you will see that it will take the correct time and will adjust it based on the universal time. Thank you.